Well, it's a cold, snowy day on the mountain here. Kind of day where you'd like to be inside around a fire. So, whew, that's much better. But animals don't have that option. So today, we're going to embark on a little project to help some of our furry friends, feathered friends, and insects find a little bit of shelter. Man, Toby, what are you doing out here on such a cold day?
Oh, I'm just working on this bluebird house right now. It's coming apart.
Yeah, look, there's even a nest in that one.
Yes.
But yeah, the pieces on the floor. Well, this one's obviously been occupied, and bluebirds like to live on the forest edge, right on the edge of the meadow, so they kind of have a dual habitat. So yeah, this is a good one to fix. Keep up the good work, sir.
You got it. Well, Paul, you've been busy in here.
Yeah, well, after seeing you struggle with that bluebird house and seeing the shape of it, I figured I'd make a new one. So, finish that one up.
What else do you have over there?
Well, I got motivated, with that cold weather and just how rough the winter's been. I thought I would make a few other houses. So, I made this one. This is a Screech House for screech owls. The most important thing you want to make sure of when you're building the bird houses, or like we'll see in a minute, animal houses, is proper placement. So a screech house, screech owls like to be in sparse forests, but where it's shaded. This would even be good in like your backyard and all. And the reason why you want screech owls around is they're going to help keep the mouse population down. So that's your screech house.
All right.
And then we also built a butterfly house. Butterfly houses, you're going to want to mount them about 4 feet off the ground in somewhere that is sunny but out of the prevailing winds, because it's hard for a butterfly to fly in the wind. And you want the inside of the bee house to be rough, gives the butterflies some place to hang on to. But you want butterflies around because they're kind of pretty, but also they're really good pollinators. So all your flowers and your vegetables and all can be pollinated. So that's butterfly house. And then we got a bee house. And people are gonna think, well, why would you want bees around? But again, bees are really good pollinators. These bee houses need to be protected from the wind as well, and be facing south or southwest to get as much sunlight as possible, because the bees are going to be in all these little holes here. And like I said, they're great pollinators. The thing with the bees are you have to clean this out each year. Either replace all these logs, these are all removable, or put paper sleeves in here, because there can be a fungus that can build up and it can actually be bad for the bees. But you definitely do want bees around. And then finally, the one that people don't think about very often are the bats. This is a bat house, and people would say, well, oh, I don't want bats around, but you do. You do want bats, because bats can eat their own body weight in insects each night. So they are really good for controlling insects. Now the problem with bat houses is you need to mount them 12 or more feet high, because bats need to gain airspeed to fly. So they need to drop out, gain that airspeed, and be able to fly. And you also want to mount these in an area that gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each night. So we don't really get sun at night, so maybe we should get the sunlight during the day. But yeah, bat houses are super beneficial because they keep the insects down. and they could really use our help. So yeah, I figured on a cold, snowy day like this, it was a good day to get in the shop and build some habitat. And the numbers on there, I'm gonna make a little scavenger hunt for the kids that come visit us up here at the Sandia Mountain Natural History Center. So.
Oh, great. At least you're looking out for the wildlife out there.
Well, thanks for joining us on another Sandia Mountain Natural History Center quick trip. All the plans and descriptions and stuff, the information that you're going to need for those birdhouses will be in the description box below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.